Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to share you few reasons why your skin becomes oily. We could be buying every beauty product off the shelf to get a clean, clear and oily free skin, but there's no way we are going to achieve this if you don't control your eating habits. So many of us don't realize that it is not what we put on our face that matters alone. It is also what we put on our plate that plays an important role in the way we look and feel. There are many things right in the comfort of your own home that can help you if you have naturally oily skin. Most of these sit pretty on your kitchen shelves waiting to be discovered. And you don't need a battery of helpers to make these ingredients work for you. People who have oily skin already could be making this problem worse due to their poor dietary choices. After all, your skin is a direct reflection of how your healthy body is. Let's first go through the reasons why some of us may be experiencing oily skin. The first reason could be the genetics. It is possible that due to hereditary reasons, you could be having an oily skin. So that means if someone in your family had oily skin, you have got it too. The second reason is lack of water intake. If you don't drink enough of water, your skin could become greasy and oily and your body a storehouse of toxins. Birth control. Many women on the pill can experience oiliness on the skin. Perspiration. If you sweat a lot, your skin starts feeling greasy and unclean, leading to oily patches on your skin. Puberty. Hormonal changes during puberty can lead to oily and greasy skin, giving you regular bouts of acne and pimples. A bad lifestyle. A sluggish lifestyle without regular exercise and a balanced diet can cause the skin to become oily and lifeless. Menstruation. It is often seen that women during their periods get oily and problematic skins. This could be due to hormonal changes too. So guys, these are few reasons for the oily skin. Thanks for watching our video and please don't forget to subscribe our channel.